Hey guys, and today I'm showing you how to make shorts instead of just a normal video. And the first thing you want to do is go to I use the normal just built-in video editor on Microsoft Photos. You can use whatever you like. My dad tried to get me to use Kdenlive. It's honestly pretty amazing. It's really good, but I just don't feel like learning how to use it. So yeah, the first thing you want to do is press add from this PC. And then I don't want to show you my files, so I already chose some. I have these, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mute them because, oh wait, okay, so I think these were already uploaded. I don't have any new clips, so you guys are already going to see all of these, or at least most of them. And so what you want to do is just go through them and watch them. I'm going to watch this one, and so far it looks pretty boring. You can skip ahead if you want. I actually remember the exact conversation I was having right now during this round. So, right, actually I did want to upload this one because it's just so funny when I fall off. Okay, now let's see, what's this one? Oh, right, I already uploaded this. This is when I sniped the guy after missing 3 times. Boom, and then consume soul. Okay, so I don't need to do that because I already uploaded it. And then this one, I meant to clip how I won, but I waited too long, and then all I got was me just flying around in the red team wins part. So we don't want to upload that, so we can delete it. And then we can also delete both of these here and when they're not in the storyboard. Now what you want to do is press this button and then remove black bars, and then my video recordy thing is in the way, so let me just move that real quick. Sorry. Oh, what was that? Okay, so you want to click these 3 dots, and that says 16:9 landscape. You want to click that. Whoops. You want to click that and then push make portrait, and now it should look like this. If you don't remove the black bars, it'll look like this. And that's the difference. Now just let me put the video recording thingy back. Actually, I shouldn't. I should put it over here. Now, you want to name it. Actually, no. You want to trim it. So you see there's this really long time here before I fall, like how I want. So yes, there is a trim button here. I don't know how to use that though. So what I do is split, and I just delete the first one. And now we have me doing this. And then I can just, this frame right here, right before that, I want to split, done. Oh nice, 777. Now, oh. And then of course, since it's a short, it'll just loop me dying. Okay. Now you want to name it. Let's name it I Do Something Stupid. And then you press finish video, export, export. And wow, it's already done exporting. So I don't know if you can see this right now since it's a different window, but it should show you your video. Now you can watch it to see what it's going to look like. You can close that window when you're done, and then you move over to YouTube and you just upload it like a normal video. Then put hashtag shorts in the tags part, and also the description if you want to, but you don't have to, and YouTube will automatically make it a short instead of a normal video. Although I have had a few that have just been normal videos, even though I tagged them as short. I think it only happened twice, though. YouTube is pretty smart when they decide which ones are shorts and which ones aren't. So yeah, here you go, YouTube short.